This man cutting this ancient coral, and what he found on the last one is extremely rare. He found a coral that's over 35 million years old. After cutting it open, he found dozens of small black crystals. But this colossal coral was also filled with magnificent big orange crystals. These dazzling formations occurred over millions of years as the corals transformed into limestone, allowing minerals to seep in and replace their skeletons with crystals. This last coral contained uranium, which is very dangerous because it's radioactive, but it can't hurt him because it's trapped inside the quartz crystals. Now you know why.